2026 Toyota minibus continues the brand's tradition of dependable, spacious, and family-friendly transportation. While official details are still under wraps, early insights suggest a focus on improved efficiency, modern tech, and enhanced comfort. The exterior maintains a practical, boxy shape for maximum interior room, but gets subtle styling updates like sharper LED headlights, a redesigned front grille, and updated alloy wheels. Sliding rear doors remain standard for easy entry and exit, especially in crowded urban settings. Inside, the cabin is designed for versatility, with seating configurations ranging from 8 to 12 passengers. Toyota has upgraded the materials, offering more durable upholstery with optional premium finishes. Passengers will appreciate the generous legroom, ample storage compartments, and available amenities like rear climate control and foldable tables. The driver benefits from a more ergonomic layout, including a larger touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and possibly wireless connectivity. Higher trims may also feature a digital instrument cluster and a premium sound system. Under the hood, Toyota is expected to carry over its proven engines, likely including a fuel-efficient 4-cylinder and a hybrid option for better mileage. The hybrid variant, in particular, should appeal to fleet operators and eco-conscious buyers. Transmission choices will probably include a smooth-shifting automatic, with all-wheel drive available on select models. Toyota's reputation for reliability should carry over, with robust engineering designed for high mileage and low maintenance costs. Safety remains a priority, with Toyota likely equipping the 2026 minibus with the latest Toyota Safety Sense suite. This means standard features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and blind spot monitoring. Additional upgrades could include a 360-degree camera system for easier parking and rear seat occupant alerts to prevent accidentally leaving passengers behind. On the road, the minibus should deliver a comfortable ride with a suspension tuned to absorb bumps while maintaining stability. Noise insulation is expected to be improved for a quieter cabin, making long trips more pleasant. While it won't be sporty, the steering and braking will likely be precise enough for confident handling, even when fully loaded. Pricing is expected to remain competitive, positioning the 2026 Toyota minibus as a practical choice for families, hotels, schools, and shuttle services. With its blend of space, efficiency, and Toyota's trusted durability, it's shaping up to be a strong contender in its segment. Final verdict? If it lives up to expectations, this minibus will be a solid, no-nonsense option for those who need reliable people-moving capability.